Mina had a collection of toys. 3/5 of them were marbles and the rest were dolls and car models. The number of dolls was 1/4 number of car models. There were 156 more marbles than dolls. How many toys did she have in her collections? Now, we know that marbles is making up 3 units out of a total of 5. Okay? And the rest were dolls and car models. So what we can do is to develop for ourselves a ratio. Alright, so 5 minus 3, that will be 2. Now this 2 is especially for dolls and car models. So we know marbles is to dolls and car models. 3 is to 2. Now number of dolls was 1/4 number of car models. So dolls is to car models. It's 1 is to 4. Dolls is 1, 4 is car models. So what we need to do is this. Since we know earlier on that dolls and cars should add up to 2, and over here, dolls and cars does not add up to 2, it's 5. So 2 and 5, we need to make sure that they are the same. Okay, because both are dolls and cars, dolls and cars. So 2, you multiply by 5, you multiply this by 2 as well. So that you get the same number here. You get 10, you get 15 here, 10 here as well, 8, and this is 2. So as you can see, we have successfully made the dolls and the car models the same. Alright, now we can start comparing. There were 156 more marbles than dolls. 156 more marbles than dolls. So 15 minus 2 is 13 units. So 13 units represents 156. You can find 1 unit. Okay, so how many toys did she have in her collection? So what we need to do is take the marbles plus the dolls and the cars. So that's 15 plus 10. Okay, 12 times 25. And we get 300 as our final answer for this particular question. So again, this is fractions and ratio, but I think more than that, this is also a repeated identity question whereby the dolls and the cars is repeated, and we need to make sure whatever is repeated is made the same in terms of units.